Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks and subtasks to Excel and CSV. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze your project data in spreadsheet format, share updates with stakeholders who don't use Asana, or simply create backups of your project information. Let's walk through how to get this done. First, head over to Asana and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project that contains the tasks and subtasks you want to export. This could be any active project you're managing, whether it's a marketing campaign, product development timeline, or team workflow. Make sure you're viewing the correct project before proceeding, as you'll be exporting everything contained within it. Now look at the top of your project screen where you'll see the project title. Right next to it, there's a drop-down arrow button. Click on this button to reveal a menu of project options. This is where Asana houses many of its project-level controls and features. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll need to hover over the option labeled Export or Sync. This will trigger a submenu to appear with additional export options. From this submenu, click on Project Tasks CSV/XLSX. This action initiates the export process, allowing you to download your project data in either CSV format or as an Excel file depending on your needs. If you have custom fields set up in your project, you also have the option to include all custom fields and multi-home tasks in your export, which gives you a more comprehensive data set. Once you've clicked the export option, Asana will process your request and prepare the file for download. Save the downloaded file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it, such as your downloads folder or a dedicated project folder. After saving, go ahead and open the file using Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet application you prefer. When you review the spreadsheet, you'll notice that subtasks are clearly listed with their parent task indicated in the data. This parent-child relationship makes it easy to identify which subtasks belong to which main tasks, maintaining the organizational structure you've built in Asana, even in spreadsheet form. And there you have it, a complete export of your Asana project with all tasks and subtasks preserved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.